check out this super cute packaging for a new fragrance release. I've got all the juicy details. If you want to know what fragrance this is, then definitely sit back, grab a cup of coffee, or maybe even a glass of juice, and we're going to get right on into it. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Sasha, and today we're talking about a new fragrance from the fragrance house Commodity. They just released on June 18th, Juice. And I love the packaging. They sent this to me with the option if I wanted to review it or not. And so when I got my hands on these fragrances and started playing around with them, I definitely thought I needed to share this with you guys. And what I love is they had this little thing inside with all the juicy details, and it's their little pamphlet. It talks about the fragrance, juice, and then the different scent spaces. And we're going to go over that in a minute. So if you're not familiar with Commodity, they do something that's very unique. They have scent spaces where if you want something that's a little more personal, a little expressive, a little bold, we're going to cover that. I think it's fabulous. And so let me take the little plastic cover off here so you can see what the fragrances look like. And here it is. Very well done. You've got your personal, your expressive, and your bold. We're going to start with Expressive. And when I first sprayed this on, I couldn't believe it. How delicious, how decadent. I'm like, this is going to be my new summer fragrance because it smells so good with the strawberry in here. Oh, let me show you the bottle. This is what it looks like. I really like their minimalistic packaging. Really nice. Stands out. And then the juice. Juicy strawberry that's really ripe. It's tantalizing and sweet, mixes with some raspberry. And then you've got rhubarb anchored in with amberwood. So it gives it a little bit of depth. And this is the fragrance that I would wear as a signature scent, day-to-day basis. Great for most occasions. And let me tell you, this is the expressive scent space. So what that means is you're going to have this scent bubble around you. So people nearby, they're going to be able to smell you. You're going to leave this gorgeous trail. You're going to turn heads. And it definitely lasts a very long time, which is surprising because it is a fruit fragrance. But this one really, really lasts on me. And I love when you get a fragrance that has great longevity and you can feel confident that, you know, you smell great. People around you are going to be able to smell you. It's great. Love this. If you're a strawberry lover, then, oh, I can't say enough good things. This is a wonderful fragrance. I think they did an amazing job with this. So let's move on to the next one, which is going to be your more personal scent space. And this one is softer. It's going to be a little closer to the body. It's going to be a little more intimate. If maybe you want to wear this for yourself, or maybe there's a special someone that you want to share this fragrance with, they cuddle up close to you, maybe you're out on a dinner date, or you're cuddling at home watching a movie, then I would definitely reach for the Juice Personal. This is the same as the Juice Expressive with the strawberry, rhubarb, raspberry, and the amberwood. The only difference is they add a violet leaf in here to soften it. You're getting this powderiness, this more intimate kind of feel to this fragrance. Like I said, it does get closer to the body, has very nice lasting power. So that person you're with cuddling, they're going to be smelling this. They're going to enjoy this scent. You're going to love wearing it. Even if you're just wearing it for yourself, maybe you're in a small office and you want something a little more personal. This is a great fragrance. It smells incredible. Again, lasting, closer to the skin. You could wear this as a day-to-day signature scent if you wanted something a little more intimate, but a fabulous fragrance. And then we're going to move into the Juice Bold. Now, this fragrance is going to let everybody know that you're coming ahead of you. This is that fragrance that everyone is going to be able to smell. And if you like fragrances like that, then I would recommend this one. Now, you might be an introvert and you want your fragrance to do the talking for you, then check out Juice Bold. Absolutely delicious. Same thing, but this is more of like a marmalade. You've got a jammier strawberry, raspberry, rhubarb, the amberwood, but then this has been seeped in patchouli and vetiver. So it's darker, it's heavier. This is great if you want to make a statement. You're going out on the town and you want everybody to notice you. This is going to do it. Super long lasting on the skin, lasts forever on the clothes, smells absolutely incredible. Just wonderful. I am having a hard time deciding which one is my favorite. Me personally, I like fragrances that really stand out and make a statement and gets me noticed. So I'm teetering between the Bold and Expressive. Both are fabulous. I don't know. I might have to have both in my collection, one for every day and one for when I go out. I'm going to put a link in the description box for you to check out their new release. Super exciting. I know they're in Sephora as well. Guys, trust me when I say this. This is a fantastic fruit fragrance that I know you're going to love. And if any of you have already gotten your hands on it, I know it just released. I don't know if you can actually run into a Sephora and get it or not. I'm not sure. But anyway, the link will be in the description box. If you did have a chance and maybe you were at Sephora today and it's there and you had a chance to smell it, then let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to watch this video. I'll see you guys again real soon.